Hey, so if you want to stay organized every single day without feeling overwhelmed, yeah, Trello can actually be a really powerful daily productivity tool. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Trello to plan your day, track tasks, and stay focused. First, create a dedicated board for your daily tasks. You can even turn it into a template so you reuse it every day without starting from scratch. Next, create simple lists like to do, doing, and done. Keeping it minimal helps you stay focused instead of overwhelmed. Now, add your daily tasks as cards. Keep them clear and specific, like reply to emails or finish video edit. Before you start, prioritize your tasks. Use labels or position important tasks at the top so you know what to focus on first. For bigger tasks, break them into smaller steps using checklists. This makes it easier to stay focused and actually complete them. As you go through your day, move cards from to do to doing and then to done. This gives you a clear visual of your progress. You can also set due dates, especially for time-sensitive tasks. This helps you stay on schedule and avoid missing deadlines. At the end of the day, review what you've completed and reset your board for tomorrow. You can archive done tasks or move them aside. So yeah, that's how to use Trello for daily productivity. Once you build this habit, staying organized becomes way easier and more consistent. If this helped, subscribe for more simple productivity tips.